Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to attach Trust Wallet with Treasure NFT. First, ensure your Trust Wallet application is fully updated to its most recent version. Next, confirm you have an active account on the Treasure NFT platform. This preparation is crucial for a smooth connection process. We'll cover the initial setup and necessary checks to get you started quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the steps. Now, let's link your wallet. Open the Treasure NFT platform in your browser or app. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Click this button, and a list of compatible wallets will appear. Select Trust Wallet from this list to initiate the connection. This action will prompt a secure connection request from your Trust Wallet app, which you'll need to approve. Once you've selected Trust Wallet, a notification will appear on your phone, asking for authorization. Open your Trust Wallet app and carefully review the connection details. Ensure the network displayed matches the Treasure NFT platform's network, like Polygon or Binance Smart Chain. Confirm the wallet address is yours before tapping Approve to finalize the secure link. This step is vital for protecting your assets. With your Trust Wallet successfully attached, you can now manage your Treasure NFTs. You'll see your digital collectibles displayed on the platform, ready for interaction. You can now securely buy, sell, or trade your NFTs directly through the connected wallet. Remember to always double-check transaction details before confirming. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below. Happy collecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.